Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will explain to you how to use the Sanyo air conditioner remote control. This is the on-off button of the air conditioner, with the help of which we can turn the air conditioner on and off. This is the mode button, with the help of which we can change the mode of the air conditioner. This air conditioner has 4 modes: auto, heating, drying, and cooling. Most air conditioner users mainly use the cooling mode. For this reason, we will start with its explanation first. In cooling mode, we set the air conditioner temperature to 22-24 degrees Celsius. It's not advisable to stay in a room with a temperature below 22 degrees Celsius for a long time, as it can cause a cold. We can change the speed of the air conditioner fan with the help of fan speed button. The air conditioner has 4 speeds: high, medium, low, and auto. If the noise of the fan in the bedroom bothers you, you can choose a low fan speed. It is recommended to set the air conditioner temperature to 24-25 degrees Celsius for the air conditioner to save energy. To switch to other air conditioner modes, press the mode button again. The letter A appears on the remote control screen. This is auto mode. In this mode, the air conditioner tries to maintain the set temperature. For example, let's say we set the temperature to 25 degrees Celsius. In this case, if the room temperature is above this indicator, the air conditioner will work in cooling mode, and if it is below, it will work in heating mode. We press the mode button again, and the sun symbol will appear on the screen. This is the air conditioner heating mode. In this mode, we set the air conditioner temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. But if you want to save electricity, you can also set it to 23-25 degrees Celsius. In heating mode, setting the fan speed to auto fan speed mode allows the air conditioner to work more efficiently. Because in this mode, the fan speed will be controlled by the microprocessor, and therefore the outdoor unit of the air conditioner will only be covered with snow when the temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. To switch to auto fan speed mode, we press the fan speed button several times, and when the letter A appears here, the air conditioner switches to this mode. In heating mode, it takes 20-40 minutes, depending on the air temperature, for the air conditioner to reach its nominal power. We press the mode button again, and a water drop symbol appears on the screen. This is the dry mode and is designed to reduce the humidity in the house. By pressing the mode button again, we switch to cooling mode. Now we will explain how to use the other buttons. The 1 hour button is used to turn the air conditioner off or on after 1 hour. When this button is pressed with the air conditioner is in standby mode, the word 1 hour appears on the screen, and the air conditioner starts working after 1 hour. When this button is pressed while the air conditioner is on, the air conditioner will turn off after 1 hour. To exit this mode, simply press the on-off button. With the help of the flap button, it is possible to stop the air conditioner's blinds in any position or move them up and down. With this button, you can raise the temperature, and with this one, lower the temperature. We use night setback button to sleep comfortable at night. When this button is pressed in the cooling mode, this icon appears on the screen and the air conditioner raises the temperature by 1 degree after a certain time. In heating mode, it lowers the temperature by 1 degree. This ensures comfortable sleep. At the same time, electricity is saved. To exit this mode, you need to press the same button again. Now we will explain the timer mode. This air conditioner has two timer modes. Timer on to turn the air conditioner on at any time, and timer off to turn it off. If we want the air conditioner to turn on after 2 hours and turn off after 10 hours, we need to set the timer on button to 2 hours and the timer off button to 10 hours. To exit this mode, you need to press the same buttons. There is an ACL button under the cover of this remote control, and when this button is pressed, the air conditioner remote control is reset. Thank you for following us until the end.